Designing custom woodworking projects and got an EWD file from EasyWOOD software? This stores wood project designs for woodworkers and cabinet makers. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open these EasyWOOD design files. We'll start with the common fixes, but keep this in mind. I have a specialized EWD tool that functions as a deep-level recovery option. That's Plan B. EWD files are design files created by EasyWOOD CAD software specialized for woodworking and cabinet design. They store complete project designs including 3D geometry dimensions, material specifications, joinery details, and cut lists, enabling woodworkers to plan and execute complex cabinetry and furniture projects. EWD design files use an EasyWOOD-defined format, storing parametric 3D models with wood-specific data, including grain direction, wood species, board dimensions, joinery specifications, and material parameters. The format integrates with EasyWOOD's manufacturing output, features generating cut lists and CNC instructions for fabrication. Generally, EWD files are associated with EasyWOOD, developed by DDX Group. The extraction process relies on algorithms not included in the Windows operating system. Windows won't display parametric or assembly data, so full access depends on dedicated modeling tools. The very first step is to check which program successfully reads the file's signature. Right-click the EWD file and click Open With. Test EasyWOOD if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option. If the EWD file still will not open, there is no need to stress. If the file refuses to open, the issue is not surface level. Let's initiate a quick test on the following common failure scenarios to see the source of the blockage. First, opening an EasyWOOD. Install EasyWOOD CAD software and use File then Open to load the EWD file. The application displays the woodworking project in its 3D modeling environment. Review project geometry, adjust dimensions, modify joinery details, and generate manufacturing outputs for the woodworking shop. Next, generating cut lists. Within EasyWOOD, use the cut list generation feature to produce material requirements and cutting plans from the EWD design. The application calculates board sizes, panel optimizations, and material costs, streamlining the procurement and fabrication process for woodworking projects. Finally, exporting to Standard CAD. Use EasyWOOD's export function to convert designs to Standard CAD formats like DXF, DWG, or STEP. These formats enable sharing designs with collaborators using AutoCAD, SketchUp, or other CAD applications, and integrate with broader manufacturing workflows, including CNC programming systems. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.